Okay, welcome, chat. Now, this is my first video in like 4 or 5 days. I don't even know. I was gone for a little bit. It wasn't anything important. I just left because I ran out of ideas. But let's scooch it just a little bit. All right. So today we have a box of cinnamon Chex, which is a goated cereal. But they expired in I don't. It's not going to focus, but it expired in October of 2019. So these are almost 6 years past their date. 2019 being 6 years ago just feels like a punch to the stomach. But yeah. So I'm gonna just open these up. I don't know why I have so much stale cereal in my house. Okay, here's the product itself. Ooh, if you could smell through a camera, that is just stale. That's the only way I can describe it. Okay, it all seems to kind of be in a brick. Okay, there we go. There we go. Broke it up. Let's get it open. Holy fuck. Just the smell alone, just from there, is strong. She has my eyes watering. The things I do for subscribers. But let's get a cinnamon piece. But cheers. All right. um, so don't do that. I gotta watch this down with Baja Blast. Fuck yeah. But don't do that. Don't try anything I do on my channel at home, please, because you're gonna wind up getting hurt. But yeah. I'm gonna end it here. Uh, I wanna, I don't know. Thank you guys for the support I've been seeing recently, and I will see you next time. Later.